Hello Terra State Titans. Do you need to make a payment to your student account? Please watch this short tutorial to help you do this online through Banner Self-Service. To get to the Banner Self-Service login page, go to the my.terra.edu page, click on the links. Banner Self-Service will be the first one in the list of links. When this page opens, you will log in with your Terra username and password. Once you are logged into Banner Self-Service, you will choose your Student tab. When your student account opens, you will choose the Account Summary from the list of options. At the bottom of your student account page, choose the credit card payment option. A new window will open from which you will choose the term that you would like to make a payment in. In the Select a Term drop-down menu, choose the correct term and then click Submit. Once you have chosen the correct term, the Tuition and Fee Payments window will open. In the Tuition and Fee Payment box, enter the payment amount and click Submit. You will be redirected to PayPal's website. You may need to check your pop-up blockers to allow this page to open. You can use a credit or debit card on this link. Once the payment has been accepted by PayPal, please go back to your student account in Banner Self-Service to see the payment on your account. If you have any questions, please contact the cashier's office at cashier@terra.edu.